color looks like burgundy. Oh.
Ramadan be everything crisp. Make sure you don't miss this. Laugh and have a good time. All a vibes. And we can do this. Then be share happiness. Or we can discuss serious topics. Like, comment, subscribe. All a vibes. You need it. It's the damn thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dawn B. Tonight, whenever you're watching this, I'll be doing 100 layers of lipstick. So you know what's going to happen. Like, I've never done this before. I never, so it's gonna be my first time, and I'm pretty excited because I don't know what to expect. I don't know how my lips gonna feel because I'm used to my lips being soft, even though sometimes it get a little dry and so. But it's every minute me have to practice with my lip. So today we have a variety of lipsticks. Like, I have lip glosses in it also. I feel devote some of my other lipstick. Come never have enough. But I own some. So I'm gonna tell you which one I own. One this. I own this. And this is sponsored. Well, it's not sponsored. But this is a Victoria's product. This is a lip gloss from Victoria's. If you want any beauty stuff, whether it be your makeup, whether it be your lipstick, your eyelash, just where the place is, right here at Victoria's. You can contact her here, and you can message her here on Victoria's _. Alright, so it's not a sponsored video, but because I'm doing lipstick, lip glosses, whatever, I have to mention my best friend thing, isn't me? Yeah. So I own these two, and this, I think this is a CoverGirl product, lip lava, and I got this one as well. Yeah, so I'm not going to pick, choose, refuse anything. I'm just going to just take up a random lipstick and just apply it on my face. So look out for the outcome and the process. So the fan already dry my lips, so I'm gonna feel wipe or whatever the case is. And guys, don't practice to do this because you don't know what you. Alright, enough chatting. So this color looks like burgundy. Oh. Mommy, me no need to apply so much, Alright, go down, little. I didn't even have to. Oh my god, it's moving. This is cute. Alright, next color. That's one. You know what I should do? Any color that I use, I put it down here so I don't mix it up. You understand? So after everything done over here, so let me draw from over here and reapply again. Alright, so this is purple.
This is a Victoria's. Big up Victoria's.
I'm gonna mess up your brush.
This is a lip gloss, guys. Actually, you won't see. This is what happened. Finally, the right door for it.
No, I'm not doing no. I'm not mess up my things. What color is this? Oh yo, my mother have good product also. What? It's not right. Why this looks so? It's not blending. This is a failure. Failure. This brand new. You know what? I'm gonna put on no more of them here. To mess it up. It not do well. Not even know which Mommy are kill me. This looks so sweet. Mm. This could be a thumbnail. Oh wait, I'm gonna put him here. I'm not even finished. Wait. Alright, let's continue. Come in and read. We're not even reached 20. What? And I'm not a person who just take up myself and like use lip gloss or lipstick. Well, you know. I mean, alone stay so. Whereas when I go somewhere and you know you have your little lip gloss, you know, like you know, moisturize your lip and all of that. But like if you put on something like this, you know what I mean? Them, yeah, something, yeah. Guys, what number am I? Cause I don't know. Ooh. Guys, I think I should change an next color to mommy orange one. Huh? This is so much.
I'm afraid to use it, like wipe it, because I feel like, you know. Oh, it kind of a little silver look. Jesus.
What? No. You're hungry. Let's go again. Guys, what color? What number are you not? Oh, you kill me if you know say this not do. If you know say this not do the video, huh? Like I can't like touch my lip in one way, you know. If you know say this not do the I should go die or I should go I should go die. Why? Like literally why? Some lips like
Guys, what's what number much? I started working. So we're working with these two colors, because the other ones are like sturdy, you know, the dry one, that's what you mean. No, not this. I just use this though. This is not the one I should use. Oh.
I thought like I hurry to like well ha.
Why are you trying to do your water shine if you do like that? No, I don't want to put no. Why not be a nice one account using it and talk? I don't know so. Why not real? I know I see and also.
Guys. Yo, let me tell you something. I don't know what number I'm at, but my lip just feel very sticky, very ugh. You know, I don't know. It just not giving me a vibe. Ha 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 ha. Oh ha 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 ha. Bunny, you're killing this. You're killing this, girl. You got this. You got this. Mwah, mwah. Zazay. Yuck, scrawny. No, but this is kind of giving me a little glitter feeling, you know, see? And then my teeth white up another people them camera. Like on my camera. But you don't know what I mean. Yeah. You know, so you know, like, 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 all this hard to eat on the tongue. What the heck? Alright. This is not 100, but I feel like I need to stop because this is just not it. I am wasting my mother's. This feel like nothing, not even in there to how it feel like. And this supposed to be our best lipstick because she love burnt orange, and this kind of give me a little orange feeling, even though this kind of give me, even though that red. Wait, let's test it. Don't know if y'all seen it. You see, it kind of give. And then look how this one look. Is the video finished? I don't think so, but guess what? I have to make gonna see how the shades look. You see the difference? Look. No, oh no, same difference. It was them are red down. It was them are red, but this look like deep red. I not even know, but you know see the gist. Alright. What me I look for again? Oh, Victoria. So this is Victoria's color, guys. This color is nude, and this how nude looks. As I said, this is like a lip gloss. So this is a, let's see it. It's pretty down. Yeah, I'm pretty like me. So the best thing is it's not gonna work out. Too much talking. So this is the end of the video. Let's see how we can. Oh, the best part of the video is when, you know, I'm gonna try kiss, you know. Ready to smudge your camera screen. It's an embarrassment. Anyways, I'm not gonna do that too. I'm gonna just kiss my palm and go so. Mwah. Let's do that, okay? Let's go. Mwah. This is a beautiful art. No cap, yo. This cute. Or nah. Alright, I'm gonna done the video now. I'm gonna done the video. This is the worst. Look what turned out now. Bye guys. So after me go wash off my mouth. It wasn't done properly, but at the same time I try to wash up my face, but man, not sure. This was the wrong thing. I should have put it in some tissue or a rag or something. Then put it on my skin, because right now it look. Washa. I even start mess up the base and the bad. Gone wrong. Challenge gone. But thank you for watching, guys. Really do hope you enjoy this video with me doing something very out of the way. Like, why you even think to do that, Danny? But at the same time, it's entertainment, it's just fun, whatever the case is for you and for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Love you loads. Mwah.